put the vinegar. Now put the egg. Maybe bouncy egg. Wow. Look at the egg. Okay, let's give it a plus 16. Hi. Bouncy Egg Experiment. He wants out some of the kids when they. Hi friends, we know that brown eggs are very sluggy, can be broken very easily. But out there around an happening with egg can be bouncy. Sense of experiment. Get a large egg and carefully place it into a glass. Let the glass and the egg is complete and immersed. Leave the egg in the glass for 4 days. At the 4th the egg will start to become stagnant because you remove the egg and remove the egg from the glass and place it under some tap water. Egg stands looking and feels doubly. The egg becomes bouncy as a result of chemical reaction between the eggshell and the vinegar. The eggshell is the egg of a chicken. The egg of a chicken is our chicken egg is made of calcium, carbonate, and vinegar is a weak acid. Once the egg is gone, the vinegar begins working on the egg's membrane. Then the vinegar toughens of the membrane and make it bouncy. Thank you. Oops. Bye.